Y'all, I just found out that I've been using this the wrong way for years. We won't say how many years, but a long time. So today, I'm gonna give you the hack that I just learned about how to use a can opener the right way. So forever and ever, I've been using a can opener by taking the can opener, putting it at the top of the can, and doing it this way all the way around, just like this. And what happens, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I can't get it a clean cut all the way around. Some little pieces stick. Sometimes I can't get them off and I'm trying to get them off with a hammer, or I have to push the top end to try to get it out. And it's just been annoying, but I thought that's what it was until I heard this hack. And what I learned is what you're really supposed to do with the can opener is put it on the side of the can, not on the top of the can, and work it around like this. And this way you get a clean cut all the way around. It's not all the sharp edges. You don't get the little pieces that stick. And since I learned this recently, it's made a huge change in my life in the kitchen. So I wanted to take a quick minute to share with you, but I want to know from you, did you know how to use a can opener the right way? Is it just me that was doing it the wrong way my whole life? Let me know in the comments below. Would love to hear from you on that. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we release new videos every week that you're not going to want to miss.